Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let's start the thing. Have I moved? No. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha.
Bhadram Kanye Vishruma Devaha.
Shrunuyama Devaha.
Shunuyama Devaha.
Bhadram Pasyema.
Bhadram Pasyema.
Akshabhiryajatraha.
Akshabhiryachatraha.
Sirairangaihi.
Sirairangaihi.
Tushtuvagum sastanubhihi.
Sushtuvagum sastanubihi.
Vyasema devahitam yadayuhu.
Yasema devahitam yajahu.
Yadayuhu.
Yadayuhu.
Swasti na indro vruddhashravaha.
Swasti na indro vruddhastravaha.
Swasti na pusha vishvavedaha.
Swasti na pusha vishvaetaha.
Swasti nastarcchyo arishtanemihi.
Swasti nastashyo arishtanemi.
Swasti no bruhaspatir dadatu.
Swasti no brahaspatir dadatu.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Agne Naya Supatha Raye.
Om Agne Nayane Supataraye.
Asman Vishwani Deva.
Asman Vishwani Deva.
Vayunani Vidvan.
Vayunani Vidvan.
Yuyodhyasma.
Yuyodhyasma.
Juhuranameno.
Juhuranameno.
Bhuyishtham te namavuktim vidhema.
Bhuvistante mama muktim tema.
Namavuktim vidhema.
Nama muktim vidhema.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Apyayantu.
Om Apyayantu.
Mamangani.
Mamangani.
Vak pranaha.
Vak pranaha.
Yakshusrotram.
Yakshusrotram.
Balamindriyani cha sarvani.
Bala indriyani cha sarvani.
Sarvam Brahma Upanishadam.
Sarvo Brahma Upanishadam.
Maham Brahma Nirakuryam.
Maham Brahma Nirakurya.
Mama Brahma Nirakarotu.
Mama Brahma Nirakarotu.
Anirakaranamastu.
Anirakaranamastu.
Anirakaranam me astu.
Anirakaranam me astu.
Tadatmani nirate.
Tadatmani nirate.
Tadatmani nirate.
Tadatmani nirate.
Ya Upanishatsu dharma.
या उपनिषत्सु धर्मा
ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु
स्वास्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
स्वास्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु
मातृरूपेण संस्थिता
मातृरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
So we are on the study of Durga Parameswari, who is a very important deity, the aspect of Adishakti Swarupini, whatever you call Lalita Parameswari, Lalita Tripureshwari and all that. She is Parvati. She comes out as Durga, and that is an executive forum, very fearful forum, very ghastly forum, but highly protective, highly innovative, highly beautiful, highly attractive, highly compassionate. So, such deity is Durga, and in Mahanarayana Upanishad, we come across this Durga Sukta, and Durga Agni Sambhava, she is just out of the fire, Agni. So as much activity, as much vigor, as much power, etc. that Agni has, so much Amma Durga Parameswari also has got. So we have covered almost 50% of the, and today we shall try to conclude her and try to know that this particular sukta has a very popularity. And it is a shortest sukta from Veda, in which we have submitted our prayers to her that what she should do for us. And there is nothing difficult for her because she is all powerful. And again, she is engrossed very deeply in trying to sanction the corresponding rewards and awards for all the kinds of karmas done by all people, not only human, otherwise also. So karma phaleshu jushta, and we request her to give us all sorts of anukulas, that our span of life is really well spent. Although some hurdles come and go, but because of her grace, they don't bother you very much. So let us recite once the whole thing. I say once, you please recite once, and where I stop, from there I start explaining to you, so that you will understand Durga Parameswari is a very, very, very important deity, whose grace, whose support is very much necessary to all people in a sense that belonging to all lokas. Therefore, Durga is the overall power. Now repeat, please. Om Jata Vedase Sunava Masomam.
Om Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma
Sunava Masomam. She has become still.
Sunavama. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I'm, yeah, there's
Can
a
you hear
break. Yeah, this side.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Mam,
Jatavedase Sunavama Somam.
Arati yato nidahati vedaha.
Marati yato nidahati vedaha.
Sa naha parshadati durgani.
Sa naha parshadati durgani.
Vishwanaveva sindhum.
Vishwanaveva sindhum.
Duritat
Duritatyagnihi.
Tam Agnivarnam tapasa Jwalantim
Agnivarnam tapasa.
Jwalantim Vairochanim
Jwalantim vairochanim.
Karma Phale Shojushtam
Karma paleshu justam.
Durgam Devigam
Durgam devigam.
Sharanamaham Prapadye
Sharanamaham prapadye.
Sutarasi Tarase Namaha.
Utarasi tarase namaha.
So to review, we have come to know from these first two mantras, you already noted that. And what is that? The first mantra refers to Agni, second verse refers to Durga. And in the first verse, Agni has been specially designated as Jatavedas, meaning that he has every knowledge about all these people who have been created, who have been born. And he knows the calendar of life or the destinies of people, and accordingly he will be protecting. That's why Veda Jata, that is Jatam Jatam Yaha Veda Sa Jata Veda. So he knows everybody. And for him, you press the Soma. And when once he comes to know your enemies, who enemies says that Aratis are those who promote any religious program, those who are haters of yajnas, those who are troubling the sadhus who are on meditation or tapas, etc. All these people come to the group of Aratis. So for them, he will just burn them out, and he will try to help you, Agni, to cross over all sorts of calamities. And the calamities are all like the water. So if at all you want to cross over the water or the river, you must require a boat or sadhana. So Amma, the Agni will be like the boat which will make you to cross over the river of difficulties. Therefore, Duritat Agnihi. So Agni not only burns out all that difficulties or discouraging negative people, but also from our bad character and conduct, because we have more temptations because of our indriyas, because of the circumstances, because of the context, because of number of reasons are there when you will be attracted or compelled to go astray. See, many people in urgency take food without a sandhya or without lighting the lamp or even without taking bath. Well, because no, that is all comes under duritam, because our conduct is not approved by the Vedic practices. But so still sometime you can afford to get rid of that, because Durga and Durgesha, that is Ishvara, both are very, very powerful deities who can give exemption. I remember, I think I told you that in Benares or in Kasi, near that Asi river, there is one big Shiva temple. When we do parikramana, we come across, and there it is kept the board. Supposing you go do puja, namaskara, anything to that Lord Shiva, there he will update your Sandhya Vandanam. So if you go and submit until that date, or whatever times you have missed your Sandhya or pujas, that will be vetoed and updated. So that's why Duritat Agni. Agni is Rudra. Agni is Durga. Agni is all in all. And next verse, you have seen that how is Durga Parameswari? Agni Varna. She has red complexion. The complexion that of the fire god, Agni Deva. And she is not at all indolent or inactive. Tapasa Jwalanti. She is always burning, shining forth, brilliant, with excessive power. Tapas is the power. And she is a Vairochani, belonging to the Surya Sakti, Gayatri Parameswari, Virochani. And but in spite of all her integrity and eminence and all that, Manoraj Garu, Intunara, Kannada Nivu.
Sir, I'm here very much.
Yeah, you became. So this lady is karma paleshu jushtam. That's what you have to mark. See, she is a watchman. What kind of karmas we are doing, and commensurate to the karmas that we are doing, and phalas are being granted. In Bhagavad Gita, in 4th chapter, Krishna poses the problem. Kim karma, kim akarma, iti munayaha mamuho. It is a very hard job to designate what is karma and what is not karma. But Krishna advances voluntarily that he is going to describe the karma. Karma, according to him, is yajna, prayatna. That's why she is fond of karma phala, granting, and she is a Durga, and Ammavaru is a Devi. So because she is a Devi and all powerful, what you can do, you submit yourself to her. You bow down your head to her. Sharanam aham prapadye. Why should you bow down your head to her? Because Sutarasi tarase namaha. She is a tarasa. And she can help you to cross over the difficulties. And again, next verse, we are going to Agni. Beautiful. Praise for him. Repeat. Agne tvam parayanavyo.
Agne tvam parayanavyo.
Asman swasti bhirati durgani vishwa.
Asman twasti bhirati durgani vishwa.
Uscha prithvi bahulana urvi.
Uscha prithvi bahulana urvi.
Bhavatoka yatanaya yaseyo.
Bhavatoka yatanaya yashamyo.
Now again we revert to Agni and ask, O Agni, Tvam Paraya, O Agni Deva, you make us to cross over. You make us get over the difficulty. Who is he? He is a Navyaha, worthy of praise. And Agni remains fresh always. That's why we have got the prayer, Sadhyo Jatam Prapadyami Sadhyo Jataya Vai Namaha So he's Navyaha. And what is it to Asman Swastibhihi Ati Durgani Vishwa. So Vishwa Durgani Ati Paraya. Oh Paramatma, Durga Agrideva, whatever Durgas are there, whatever calamities or difficulties, etc. are there, you try to veto and make us cross over and become completely freed from that. And again, Puscha Prithvi. The Prithvi is Pu. Pu is city. Puscha Prithvi. And because all cities, all houses, all buildings, all structures possible upon the earth. Therefore, she is a Prithvi. Not only it is a city or dwelling place. Pu means dwelling place, but also it is Bahula. Bahulati ti Bahula. What cannot earth give you? Any and everything you are getting benefit from earth, from Bhudevi. Therefore, Bahula, provider of many, many, many things. And Urvi, she is quite wide. So you are now making prayer for Tokaya Tanayaya Sayyo Bhava. You please be favorable to our Toka and Tanaya. That is, Toka is our own children. Tanaya are the related, are the various relations. So for all of them, what she should give, Shayya, what he should give, Sam. Sam means happiness. So Shayyo. And moreover, what is the characteristic about it? Jata Veda. You know all technology, you have all information, you have all understanding power, you have all that skill. So you can be our Durgaha. You are queller of any kind of calamity, difficulty that we are coming across. And not only connected to the Bhuloka, are universal. Vishwani Durgaha. Vishwani means all round, connected to all the universe, wholesale, global. And Durita is like the river. Durita is the sin. All the sins look like the water or river, which looking at which you are afraid, how I can cut over the sin. Because whole life, our program is only to shun the sin and acquire merit, amass punyam. And then only you will be able to have a punyam. In fact, it is said that the Pitru Devatas in Pitru Loka, they will be enjoying, they are reaping in multiple quantities or power benefits of little puja, punaskara, rata, homa, dana, etc. that they have done upon the earth when they are breathing their life, that they will be able to reap them for more time until some more time is there clicked, that they will be able to go to Brahmaloka. Like that. So Durita is metaphorically compared to a Sindhu, a river. And in order to cross the river, we want a Nava. We want a boat. And who is that boat? And Agni-deva is the boat. And again, how at all you can capture the attention of Rudra, of Agni. Here you have got it. Please repeat. Agne Atrivan Manasa. Sandhya avare, you repeat Madi. Idara Sandhya avaru illa.
Agne Atrivan Manasa.
Agne at ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lift ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್. Agne Atrivan Manasa.
Agne Atrivan Manasa.
Grunano smakam.
Grunano smakam.
बोध्यविता तनूनां
बोध्यविता तनूनां
पृतनाजितगुं
पृतनाजितगम्
सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम
सहमानम् अग्निगं हुवेम
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆಯಾ
ಇದೆ ಸರ್
सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं
उग्रम् अग्निगं
हुवेम परमातो
हुवेम परमात्सो
सधस्थातो
स्थधत्स्थातु
स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि
स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि
विश्वाक्षामद्देवो
विश्वाक्षामद्देवो
अतिदुरितात्यग्निः अतिदुरितात्यग्निः नो स्वरं फर्ता अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
So now Atri Maharshi, Atri Anasuya, they are the parents for Dattatreya. In other words, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheswaras became small kids by the power of that Devi. And actually, the three devatas, Devis, had to come begging for their husbands back. My husbands, our respective husbands are mischievous. So please excuse, because that is the greatness of a Pativrata. So, and why that happened? Because Atri Maharshi is himself a great devotee of Amma in his mind. Mental devotion is supposed to be highly powerful in many multiples than the physical utterances. Therefore, Atri Maharshi, what was he doing? Grunanaha. He was constantly repeating the sacred name of Devi Durga. And like that, I do it. And Avita Tanunam Asmakam Bodhi. So, Tanunam Avita. Tanu means body. Because our body is important, and he always has to take care of the proper balance of health and everything for the body, that you will be able to do some religious rituals connected to devatas and they get power. That's why you are making a prayer to her, to Agni, Tanunam Avita. Avita is protector. And again, Prutana Jitagum Sahamanam Ugram Agnim Huvema. So I am going to worship that kind of Agni who is victorious over all Prutanas. Prutanas are the enemies. And not only that, he is also having the power of Sahamanata, power of tolerance, and he will also become Ugra. And then to such kind of Agni, who is energetic and very active and powerful, we make a prayer to him. And what is that? Paramat Sadhastas, from this higher pedestal. Please, I'm just talking about that. Paramat Sadhastas. Sadhasta is living place. So though you stay in the Akasha, and though you are there in the Akasha, but still, you please come down and bless us and be with us. Now, Repeat. Sana parshadati durgani.
Sana parshadati durgani. Sana parshadati durgani.
Vishvakshamaddevo.
Vishvakshamaddevo. Vishvakshamaddevo.
Atiduritatyagnihi.
Atiduritatyagnihi. Atiduritatyagnihi.
Ratnoshi.
Ratnoshi. Ratnoshi.
Idyo advareshu.
Idyo advareshu. Idyo advareshu.
Sanachahota.
Sanachahota. Sanachahota.
Navyascha satsi.
Navyascha satsi. Navyascha satsi.
So actually gods do not know what they are. Everybody does not know what he or she is. Somebody must come and point out the best quality, then they will be obliging to work it out. Like that, here also, Agni's qualities are known only for the devotees, and therefore he is putting a request. The Rishi, Atreya, Atreya Atri Maharshi, probably is putting a request to her that Saha Agnihi Durgani Vishwa Shamadevaha Parishadati. So he is called as the Shamadevata, that is constantly, temporarily, Agni will be your God. As he say, Sadyo Jatam Prapadyami, Sadyo Jataya Vainamo Namaha, Bhave Bhavenati Bhave Bhavaswamam, Bhavodbhavaya Namaha. So after all that, this is the sequence of Mantra Pushpam. Here also you see that she is one who is the Shamadeva, and she has to go back to the cow pen and get the reward. Therefore, a prayer is being done for the Agnideva to go to the cow pen where the cows are kept under controls. So, Saha Agnidevaha Naha, our Durgani Vishwa. Keep our Durgas or places quite safe. And Durgani Vishwa Advareshu. Yeah. Atiduritatyagnihi, one work is over. Now there is a Pratyushikamidya Advareshu Sanachya Hota Navyascha Satsi. So he is one to be worshipped by the Pratnoshis, that is those that are born protecting, and they are having the power to expand. So Pratnoshikam means he is one who can increase his power when it is necessitated. That's why here it's a prayer to Agni, but Agni prayer is equal to Shiva prayer only. Yeah, Pratnoshikam idyaha advareshu sanachahota navyascha satsi. Please repeat. Pratnoshikamidyo.
Ratnoshikamidyo. Ratnoshikamidyo.
Vishvakshamaddevo.
Advareshu sanascha ಇದೆ ಸರ್. Advareshu
sanachahota.
Advareshu sanachahota. Advareshu sanachahota.
Navyascha satsi.
नव्यश्च सत्सि नव्यश्च सत्सि.
So he is a Kshamat Deva. That means he doesn't remain same. He can increase her personality. Therefore, he is called Kshamat Deva. And he is the guardian of guardian of all wealth and the safety of the places. That's why he is said to be Durgani Parshadati. So whatever Durga problems are there, and that the Yajamana would be able to cross over them. And again, you are making a prayer to him. Swam cha agni tanuvam viprayasva. O Agni. Yeah, please repeat. Swam.
Swam chagne tanuvam piprayasva swabhyam.
Please repeat again.
Swam chagne tanuvam piprayasva smabhyam.
Asmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva.
Asmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Asmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva.
Vibhajasva.
Vibhajasva.
Now, he is Pratnoshikaha, Shamaddevaha. So Agni is complemented as a Shamadeva. That means he will be available always, and he cannot constantly be with us. Therefore, Agni is called as a Shamadeva. And he has to Parishatu Ati Durgani Agni. So again, he should try to help us to cross over the Durgas. You know, Durgatva, I mean, the difficulties are variant. If you ask anybody to talk about his difficulties, there is a wonderful flow. So difficulties are there always, we count on that. Therefore, all difficulties are taken as the, what is it taken as? Shamadeva. And Agni is a Shamadeva, and who has got that Pratno, he can become novel. Though he need not stay away, he can go away, but still he can help the Yajamana. And therefore, Agni is all powerful, and there is no direction for Agni at all. So, Ati Durita Ati. And he is one who is very, very ancient, handsome, and we cannot give him things. That's why the Pratno Shikaha, Idyaha, that's why, and Advareshu, Navyascha Satsi Swanchagne. So in the Upanenam Samskaram or some such religious programs, the Purohit will be having a different texture. And so we are making a prayer on his behalf to Agrideva in chorus or Durga Parameswari, that Agni should be helped for that. And not only that, we are asking one more thing. Please ask. Swanchagne.
Swanchagne.
Tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha.
Tanuvam priprayasvasyabhyam cha. Tanuvam priprayasvasmabhyam cha.
Asmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Okay. Next line, please repeat. Gobhirjushtamayujo.
Gobhirjushtamayujo. Gobhirjushtamayujo.
Nishiktam.
Nishiktam. Nishiktam.
Tavendra Vishno.
Tavendra Vishno. Tavendra Vishno.
Anusancharema.
अनुसञ्चरेम अनुसञ्चरेम
नाकस्य पृष्ठम्
नाकस्य पृष्ठम् नाकस्य पृष्ठम्
अधिसंवसानो
अभिसंवसानो अभिसंवसानो
वैष्णवीं लोक
वैष्णवीं लोक वैष्णवीं लोक
इहमादयन्ताम्
इहमादयन्ता
So you see the meaning that Pratnoshikam idyaha dvareshu hota navyaha satsu. So it's all difficult explaining the personality and his noble qualities of Agnideva. So we have been studying about Rudra, and now the Durga Parameswari. Well, they are all very ferocious deities, but they are ferocious against the Rakshasas, but kind and compassionate towards our bhaktas. So, Durgani Vishwa Chamadevaha Ati Duritati Agni Parshadati. So, there is that kind of Parshatu that is floats away. Parshati means floats away and will go away. What is that? Paramat Sadastat. Paramasadasta is the highest pedestal. So actually there will be always an elevated platform for the gods. And that is the idea here also. Pratno Shikamidyo and Advareshu Sanatya Hotanavyascha Satsi. So Rama has the power to become anyone. He can be a tall person like 7.5. So like that we have that differences. Therefore, Swanchagne Tanuvam Piprayasva. It is make your body completely happy, and that's what is called Piprayaha. Then Swanchagne. Repeat.
Tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha
Swanchagne Tanuvam Advareshu Tapiprayasva.
Swam chagne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha
Saubhagamaya Jasva.
Saubhagamaya jasva Saubhagamaya jasva.
So Agne Swam Tanum, O Agnideva, your body, what is that? Pipra Tanuvam, Piprayasva Asmabhyam Saubhagamaya Jasva. With your pleasant personality, O Durga Parameswari, you try to help all my devotees. That's what Shiva would tell. In fact, in Mahabharata, you get a reference that when there is kind of going out of Lakshmi, he permits her any amount of time. So, Piprayasva, make them please, not only Saubhagamaya Jasva, good fortune. Saubhaga is good fortune. That is Subhaga. Bhaga is Aishwarya. Subhaga is Vardhi Aishwarya. And Saubhaga is experience of having that. For example, when you are able to drive the vehicle, that is what, if you know driving, it's a Saubhaga. Like that. Then Tanuvam Viprayasva. Agni has to satisfy his own body or hunger by himself, because he is called as Sanuvam Piprayasva Agne. And Asma, then once you become completely happy with our offerings. What is next for you? You should always bless us good fortune. Saubhaga. Bhaga is Aishwarya. Subhaga is that Aishwarya that will give you comfort and peace and happiness. And the derivative of that is called Saubhagam. Ayajasva is to bestow. So to bestow on the devotees all that. Not only that, some more petition is being done. Paraswati, Gobhir, please repeat. Gobhir Tushtam.
Gobirjushtam
Ayujo Nishiktam.
Yajo nishiktam. Ayajo nishiktam.
Avendra Vishnu.
Tavendra Vishnur. Tavendra Vishnur.
Anusancharema.
Anusancharema. Anusancharema.
So you are making all comfort for Agni. If Agni is happy, Durga Parameswari is happy. In a sense that she operates through the fire, God. And she is a Vairochani. Again, there also you have got the reference to Surya Bhagavan. And Paurna Surya Bimbe Pasyet Srimat Durgambikam. If at all you want to visualize Durga, look directly the sun at center of, because Aditya Mandala Vajjavarti, and she is also there as the very energy of the Aditya Mandala Adhipati. And again, what more you want? Swanchagne Tanuvam Viprayasva. So you have become emaciated. You try to become expanding your own personality and be healthy and happy. And now we are telling that Gobhi Jushtam, that cowherd pen, and Nishiktam Tavendra Vishnuhu Anusancharema. So Indra Vishnu is the dual deity. Indra is the king of all gods. Vishnu is the super emperor of all gods. Therefore, here you have got Indra Vishnu deity specially brought up. It's a dual deity, Dvandva Devatas. So, Gobhirjushtam Ayujo Nishiktam Tava Indra Vishnu Anusancharema. So now either sit on the, so Indra is offering that he can take him round the places. So here is Gobhirjushtam. Gobhirjushta is Goshala. And in Goshala also, you please make the sunshine and see that all the goats also, though the cows don't speak, but they have all intelligence as much as human in respect of the communication. Intelligent they are. So Gobhirjushtam Ayujo Nishiktam Tavendra Vishnu Anusancharema. So they are the close followers of Vishnu. Anusancharema. Then, so Nishiktam is flooded, and staying upon the flooded top of a house, he will proclaim what is what. Please repeat. Nakasya Prishtham. Nakasya Prishtham.
Nakasya Prishtham. Nakasya Prishtham.
Abhisam. Nakasya Prishtham.
Nakasya Prishtham Abhisam.
Abhisambasano.
Abhisambasano. Abhisambasano.
Vaishnavim loka ihamadayantam.
Vaishnavim loka ihamadayantam. Vaishnavim loka ihamadayantam.
So what we pray him we have to ask him to give us this tattva. Gobhir Jushtam, that is, however many amount of cows one can maintain, so many amounts of cows have also to be gifted away in big sacrifices. Because Godana is a very precious dana. So we are making a prayer that Nishiktam Tavendra Vishnu Anusancharema. We try to move on to that, and they are reciting the mantras, and yes, Nakasya Prushtam is the top of the heaven, Sambasanaha, Iha, here, Vaishnavi Loka, Madayantam. Madana is to become happy, enjoy, rejoice with it, not necessarily the Garvam. Mada is that will intoxicate you, you will forget yourself. Mada and Mada. Mada is a derivative form. Please repeat. Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe.
Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe.
Om Katyanaya Vidmahe.
Kanyakumari Dhimahi.
Kanya Kumari Dhimahi.
Tanno Durgihi Prachodayatu.
Tanno Durgihi Prachodayatu.
So this is a very Nakasya. So Vaishnavim Lokaihamadayantam. So when Agni and Durga performance of Homa, etc. were taking place, Indra, the king of gods, and along with the obligers, they wanted to visit the spot. And so Yahalo, Yahamadayantam rejoice the entire procedures. Please repeat. Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe.
Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe.
Kanya Kumari Dhimahi.
Kanya Kumari Dhimahi. Kanya Kumari Dhimahi.
Tanno Durgihi Prachodayatu.
Tanno Durgihi Prachodayat. Tanno Durgihi Prachodayat.
So in the entire Suktam, we have realized how Durga Parameswari is intimate friend to us. And she will be just, she will be doing whatever we want. So this is a very powerful sloka, mantras. You can repeat every day once. It hardly takes 2 seconds or so. So you can just recite whole or some one mantra, and you can go to our places. Things are all going good. That's why this today I completed, I think, the Durga Suktam, and there are already tubes. I have given my Durga Sukta has been recorded for 1 hour and 28 seconds or so, 28 seconds. So, or minutes, I don't know. So that is there in the upasana.shruti. More explanations I was able to give at that time. So you please, at least you recite this Mula Mantra. Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe.
Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe. Kanya Kumari
Dhimahi. Tanno Durgi Prachodayatu.
Say again.
Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe. Kanya Kumari
Dhimahi. Tanno Durgihi Prachodayat.
Here you observe the word Durgihi. That is, she loves all Durga things. Durgihi means she will be resident of all kinds of problems. It is like in Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhayakrut Bhayanashanaha. So that Durgi, when you say that she is Durga, she is always very much obliging and ready to solve the problems of her devotees. And so we want Durga, Durgi, Durgani, and Durga Devi. All these are different names, but giving different shades of solving the problems. So ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುರ್ಗಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್, that Devi Adishakti Parashakti who takes a seat in Durga things, she has to become activated, she has to become the Chetana Shakti, and then see that our hurdles are being solved. So you have to mark that word Durgi Prachodayat. That is, she is completely involved, or she is manifested in that all kinds of problems. And that is what we call Durita, and that Durita causes all that. For Durita, people do not make any religious programs or dana karma or some such things. But she will be guardian to remove all that, and she is like a boat which will make people to cross over the river of good water. So she is a practical deity. You can, next class, you may just decide. And this Sunday, we have got Surya as a custodian of human health care. And so you just please spread that flyer. I think I sent the flyer to you. Share with other friends and please be present. And encourage the other speakers also who are talking about the practical. The one Purohit software engineer is there, and he has got a very wonderful tradition. He will be conducting Graha Pravesam, marriages, and all the samskara things he will be conducting and officiating also. So he will be also talking for some time how her parents and grandparents uttering certain relevant Surya mantras were able to accomplish without the intervention of a doctor or a medicine and all that. Because Senno vastu Dvipade cham chatushpade. So prayer is always for Dvipada and Chatushpada. So I think you just go through this. If you have got any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. So please be aware of this. Shall we, what shall we, I want to take Saraswati Suktam. Anybody, any other suggestion?
But Narayana Suktam is there, Narayana.
Narayana Suktam? Okay. Next class, I will do the Narayana. Adu Sahasra Sirusham Devam Vishwaksham. That text, you keep it with you. And that's a very powerful text. And so I will be able to start it next class.
Thank you, Guruji.
Because when you are familiar with the meaning and also the Suktam, it is a great advantage for you. And it is something like keeping all, reserving all kinds of remedies so that you can enjoy, you can employ whenever, whatever it is required. So that's a good idea. Only Mano or somebody asked me to do Durga. Now Durga means again we'll go to Narayana.
Rajalakshmi and Margindi, Sarmagar wife, Rajalakshmi. I asked you to do Durga Suktam.
Yes.
Rajalakshmi.
So Durga is really lucky and thankful to you all, because she comes into picture for understanding what kind of personality, what kind of power, what kind of influence, and what kind of friendship that he can hold with all people. And especially here, this is Vaishnavi Loka, it is. That is, she become Vaishnavi means present any and everywhere, all pervasive personality is Durga. And in fact, it is said Kalau Durga Vinayakau. Durga Parameswari and Vinayaka, these are the only very prominent deities in Kali Yuga. They are highly powerful, potential to remove the sins and follies and all that. So in fact, we conducted one full day seminar in our Kendra on Vinayaka, on Vigneswara. Many PowerPoint presentations from morning 9 to evening 7 o'clock. Wonderful scholars came and presented. In fact, there was a book on Vinayaka also and Durga. And there is one person, I don't know if you can catch and read Telugu. There is one Kasi Bhatla Subramanya Sharma or Shastri. He has written Durga Tattvam. Durga Tattvam, it's about 400 pages. He presented the book, but it's not here, it is there in India. But you can imagine in how many forums that Varmeswari will inspire people. It is just a matter of wonder. So again, repeat this amount. Katyayanaya vidmahe Kanya Kumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgya Prachodayat. Say once and we'll stop.
Om Katyayanaya vidmahe Kanya Kumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgya Prachodayat.
She is called Katyayana because Katyayana Maharshi is involved here. So she is called Katyayani. All these Devis are very interesting personalities. And they are more and more connected to Rishis also. For example, Ganga, another example is, she is called Janhavi. That Janhu Maharshi made Ganga to be her daughter, his daughter. Unless otherwise he will not let the water flow. Then Bhagirath accepted, and so she has been called as Janhavi. So here she is also called as Katyayani. And again Lakshmi is called as Bhargavi because of the Bhrigu Maharshi. So Bhargava, Bhargavi. So to say that all Maharshis are great upasakas of Devi and Devas, and many times they take the names of their respective Maharshis and they will be in the circulation among the society. Therefore, it is a really interesting phenomena to know more and more about this particular deity. And next Sunday, you will be knowing much about the Surya Bhagavan as a healer, and he is the custodian of the health of bone, lungs, heart, skin, etc. So all that references are there. More so the virus, which one cannot name it, but everybody suffers that. So that virus detector, diagnoser, and treatment provider is Surya Bhagavan. So let us meet on that morning, Sunday morning, because it happens to be the last Sunday of Magha Masam. So thought of having this kind of program. Om Swasti Sahana Bhavato.
Om Swasti Sahana Bhavatu.
Viryam Karavavahai.
Tejasvinavaditamastu ma
Tejasvinavaditamastu
Vidvishavahi. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Shri Veda Purusha Shirvadostu.
Veda Purusha Shirvadostu.
Om Tat Satu. Tomorrow morning at your 8:30, I am explaining Rudra Bhashyan class will be there. Again at your 11 o'clock, there will be an Aruna Prashna tomorrow. So the link will be sent to you, forwarded to the group. So if you are wakeful, you are welcome.
We have it.
Thank you, Guruji.
So Sandhya, we must get up early, but doesn't matter. Rudra will take care of your sleep. Go early to sleep and thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Guruji.